A little update on my scraper I bought right, been fixing up. Already replaced all the hoses. And I'm going to retain the old hoses, one set, for spares in case I blow a hose in the field. They'll get me back to where I can function the scraper until I get new hoses fabbed up, get me back out of the field. Got both tires and wheels off. The correct wheels and a correct series tire are both on order. Wheels are 2 weeks out for some reason, a little odd. This hub, I've already replaced the rear seal, cleaned the bearings, repacked same. This spindle is in good condition, the spindle itself. Got a little bit of corrosion on the seal area, not enough to worry with at this point, and it'll outlast me, I'm sure. What a person would do is you can go back with JB Weld, resurface this, sand it down with emery cloth, and that will suffice for a seal area on a low speed axle assembly. The bearings themselves were fine. I'm sure it had the original grease. I can't tell where the hub had been removed before. Had the original seals for sure, but they did have grease. No water intrusion. It was just old grease. There's that new outer seal here. Packed bearings using a high-tack, heavy-duty EP2 basically. There's one of my now spare hoses. This is all the rest of the parts to put the hub back together. That's all taken care of. So it's coming along, just slow. It seems like all I ever do is wait on parts, but that's all part of it too. The other scraper I bought is supposed to arrive Tuesday of next week. Looking forward to that. And then once I get the new wheels and tires on this one, the hitch should be here. And I take it up to the factory building there in the distance where I have all my heavy fab equipment. Get the geometry right, and then set the height on the new hitch. It is adjustable. It's 4 or 5 position. I'll know when I get it. This weekend I'm going up to measure height on the drawbars on what I anticipate using to pull this thing. My dozer and a couple of my higher horsepower tractors. So, like I said, it's coming along. Waiting on parts sucks, but it's part of it. Got to get the parts in sooner or later. So, let me get off this. Oh, it's 102 today, by the way. Here in northeast Texas, high humidity, and we're apparently in the midst of a drought. They just issued a burn ban for this area, so we can do no outdoor burning, like I'm going to burn when it's 102 degrees out. But anyway, there's an official burn ban in place, so nobody can burn now. That's all for now. Give me more updates as they come about. Thank you.